Okay.
Yeah.
What
you think about Lebo?
Think
But
about
how does
what?
Lebo say what you think about Lebo? Because after the niece to disease with the niece.
What do you think
And
about
then-
that, Tembi?
About
About what level?
Sorry, kancane.
Now I'm confused. I don't even know what the song is.
Sorry, kancane. Ngicela ngakhuluma ngamaninzi kunento esizibonile during the week.
Oh my goodness.
What did you say, Babo?
Hayi lamanizi esiwabonile ka-Oscar.
Hi.
Yeah, but that was cruel.
That was right. How? Fanele sibone ukuthi uhambe njani. Ifenula nenjani. Ujudge Masipho sibonise ezinye izinto that sicela ukhumule le foundation. Lo mntwana wakhipha ifoundation. Kwaba ngathi imbuzi yazi makunomsebenzi imbuzini seniskinile amangqina lokhiphile. Nibeke phezulu sefanele manje niqobe. uOscar wakhipha leza zinto. Wathi makhipha ikhouse ngathi umuntu ohluba iration ngathi Oscar wathi bathi hamba sibone uhamba kanjani uhamba ngalawa ama-ration imikhonto into ehlaba yona phansi uhamba ngathi umntana sakhe kwaba nomntana makakhasa amacela usukuma sithi nanaza u-Oscar wathi u-Oscar usuke from first floor waya ku-ground floor kabuhlungu u-Oscar wanyakaza ngaleya imiqhini awazi ukuthi indololwane leza zinto zaka-Oscar ngiyaqala ukubona idolo elinepotrisi bathi uyohamba kanjani ejele u-Oscar wahlaba ngaleza zinto phansi ngathi and uyakhala leso sikhathi uyakhala lo mntwana ngathi bekakhona abadubula umfazi wakhe enabhekileni udubule uye asakhuluma ukudubula komfazi manje sesifuna uyohamba njani phakathi athi ngiyohamba kanje what propop uthe makhipha leza inyawo ngathi yo kanti linjele inyawo la wina ama-Olympic ngathi yes lo mntwana yi-Paralympic kamampela mos
Ukumba joker.
ipotris lakhe alikho uhamba ngamapotris phansi yo lo mntwana yo makanyathela ngathi i-mushroom inyawo lakhe lo mntwana uyabambezela kunogogo omncedile ngincede mntana amathi right right makaloko ahamba la uJudge Masipho naye ubheka phansi unamahloni ukubona le mikhino yazi uOscar simbonele uOscar fanele simbonele ahamba ngamapunapuna la mntwana brabo ngaleza inyawo.
By the way, how's your wheelchair drive going? How many do you have so far? Quite a lot.
It's quite a lot, probably. The wheelchair drive is going to happen in July.
All right.
Yes.
Everything happens on my birthday, man.
Yes, it's going to happen in July. It's going to happen in July. All the door proceedings will go to buying wheelchairs. I'm not taking any cent. All the comedies that will perform on the night are not getting paid. But
are you getting one for Oscar, though? I mean, you know.
Yo, ifuna brabo fanele simcook. Yo, brabo kaje wana sakhe phezulu kwe wheelchair leza inyawo uzikobile la enzanga. Yo, le mntwana. Le yamikhonto. Ngikhuluma yani vele no mina angikhuluma into le nene ngikhuluma ivele TV uThoyo Masipha rekhopela urunthe wathi Oscar akuyayinza kuli uthe makabeka phansi leza inyawo yo nali dwarf zone thina imhlolo yethu shidu Oscar akagcoka ibrukelite masibrukelite alingeni ku-Oscar lilenga la izansi wahamba ngale zinto yo le mntwana bengathi amasotsha ahamba ngesizwe amasotsha omkhonto wesizwe bekahamba kanje u-Oscar uhambe 3 minutes ecourt yo boprati u-Oscar umbonile so ngindololane idolo lonke lelana ekasi abantu abakripula bahambi kanti u-Oscar usihambele should makalanda ifan ngaphandle beka so cool walanda ifan wawaza ngathi kunomuntu ongenile wagijima ngaleza zinto ayilanda isiphambo I'm telling you what a story. Should my daughter spambeka lingana nesibhabo ngoba mfishane phela manje. So makashithi sihambe sepasi bekaye ngaleza zinto yo lo mntwana.
Anyway,
so
your Your top temperatures for the day. It seems like you will be walking on sunshine.
Yeah, yo.
It's 20 degrees in Vereeniging. 60.
Oscar ngomoshela ubumnandi umfaka kusini ngikhula ngalale nyawo. Oh my.
Your top temperatures for the day.
Lethi yabosho kanti bamkhona le. Kanti yabona Oscar Batala ndoyiphoyisa lomzulu alele. Livula ingubo lithi yebo sizo uboshiwe ndoda uboshiwe. Zipho zinye inyawo zakho. Ngokuthatha unjena ke mina ukuthatha unje. Ngihamba nawo lokwagqokile inyawo zakho. Ebi mikhonto mikhonto. Uyingane noma umuntu ophelele wena uzala. Oscar Magalele ngathi uphelele kuphilo yakhe so. Kodwa mina ngibonisa umuntu oshashoda la ushoda umuntu. Uye lobulawe or uye lophilayo. Bayibuza akazi ukuthi uye fila. Uye lobulawe oh uye lophila lo mfana lo. Uye lodubulela. Ugijima njani ngalezinto? Funa pelepele mntwana. Ngaje bona iphoyisa lithi siguga noma senzenjani? Ibi wheelchair kusubeza uboshiwe vela to remain silence. Oscar, can you please get my plates? Wardrobe. Mavulo drop ahlangana ama plates lokho nje. Oh, imikhonto.